Hello students, welcome to Triple Department Lecture Videos YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Electrical Machines Laboratory 1 Experiment 3. So the experiment 3 is parallel operation of two dissimilar single phase transformers of different kVA and different and determination of load. So we are going to do the parallel operation experiment on two dissimilar single phase transformers of different kVA rating. So that is the experiment. So we will see the aim of the experiment. To conduct parallel operation on two dissimilar single phase transformers to determine how they share a common load, how the both the dissimilar transformers sharing the load. So coming to the nameplate details of the experiment, here we have two transformers, transformer 1 and transformer 2. So transformer 1 rating is 2 kVA and transformer 2 rating is 1 kVA. The primary voltage of both the transformers is 220 volts. Similarly, the secondary voltage of the transformer 1 and transformer 2 is 220 volts. So here the transformer ratings different. So here we are taking one is 2 kVA, another one is 1 kVA rating transformers. Okay. So now we will see the operators are required. Here we need two different AC type, we can call it as a moving iron type voltmeters and two ammeters. Both are AC type, that is called MI type, moving iron type ammeters. So moving iron type voltmeters we can use to measure the AC current and AC voltage. So AC parameters we can use to measure in moving iron type. Moving coil if you take, so those meters belongs to moving coil type, those we can use to measure the DC quantities, DC voltage and DC current. So here 0 to 300 volts, one voltmeter, 0 to 600 volts, one more voltmeter, and 0 to 20 amperes, one ammeter, and 0 to 10 amperes, two ammeters are required. And connecting wires, so how much we require, that many as required. Okay. So coming to the fuse rating, so fuse rating of the experiment is 125% of rated current, that is equal to 110 amperes. So since we are doing experiment based on the load, so that we need 125% of rated current. So coming to the safety precautions. So before going to start the experiment, DPAT switch to be open at the time of starting. So next one, single phase auto transformer should be in minimum position at the time of starting. So these are the two precautions we have to take before doing the experiment, before conducting the experiment. Okay. Next, move to the procedure. So procedure will be big, but operation is very simple in parallel operation. So connections are made as per circuit diagram. Ensure that the position of the auto transformer knob at its 0 position and SPST switch is in open position. So auto transformer in 0 position, SPST switch in open position, second point. And third point, switch on the power supply. Give a small voltage using auto transformer. Check with some positive voltage. If the polarities are correct, then voltmeter across SPST switch shows 0. Otherwise, change the polarities of any one transformer on secondary side. So SPST switch across voltmeter showing any voltage, then we have to interchange any secondary terminal of the transformers. So when the voltmeter across SPST switch shows 0 reading, then close the SPST switch, apply the rated voltage of the transformer. Then go on varying the load in the steps, and each step note down all meter readings. note down all meter readings. Repeat this procedure until rated current of the transformer. Bring load on the transformer to 0 position, open the SPST switch and auto transformer to its 0 position, switch off the supply. Conduct the short circuit test on the transformers used for parallel operation and find the transformer impedances. So ZA and ZB we have to find out. Okay, this is a very simple but lengthy procedure. So this is one of interesting experiment in your lab. So how the reality of the transformers works in real time. So we can see using 2 kVA and 1 kVA rating transformers. So here we can see the two transformers are connected in this circuit with one auto transformer. So this is auto transformer. So this is a transformers, two transformers, 2 kVA rating transformer, another one is 1 kVA rating of the transformer. So here ammeters and voltmeters are connected as it is. So this is the voltmeter across the switch. So before going to start the experiment, SPST switch and DPST switch is open position and auto transformer in minimum position. Then start the experiment and close the DPST switch and so applying the voltage using auto transformer, you have to ensure that SPST switch voltage is 0, otherwise so secondary terminals of any one transformer you have to interchange. So then close the SPST switch. So this switch we have to close and apply the load step by step and note down the ammeters, voltmeters readings, all ammeters readings and voltmeters readings in tabular column. So now we will see the demonstration of the experiment. Here connections are made as per the circuit diagram. So you can see the connections of parallel operation of single phase transformer. So here we are doing the experiment based on two dissimilar transformers, 1 kVA and 2 kVA transformer. So these are the primary connections of the 1 kVA 2 kVA rating transformers. So parallel operation always will do the two dissimilar transformers. We have to ensure the load sharing. So before going to start the experiment, you have to ensure the auto transformer in minimum position. Then SPST switch, DPST switch all are in open position. So after ensuring these things, switch on main supply, adjust the auto transformer rated voltage. So we can see the voltage rising in voltmeter. Then you check the voltage across the SPST switch. So it's showing 0. So 0 voltage. Then polarities of the transformers are correct. Secondary side of power transformers are correct. Otherwise, you have to interchange any one of the transformer. Secondary side terminals are interchanged. So once if it is showing 0, close the SPST switch. So now we are closing the SPST switch here. Then close the load switch, that is called DPST switch. So now we can see the voltage across the load 220 volts and input voltage also 220 volts. So now apply the load. So now here we are using lamp load. We have applied one lamp load. So lamp load we have to apply step by step and note down the ammeter and voltmeter readings in tabular column. So first reading note down in the tabular column, voltage across the load and voltage across the supply and current values, both ammeters. So note down the all values in the tabular column. Now apply the one more load. Now again applied one more load here. So note down the all meter readings, voltmeter, ammeter, as it is of first reading we have taken now. Similarly, note down the second reading also. So same steps we need to repeat for one more step. So again we have uploaded one more load here. Note down the current I1 and I2 and load current I3 and voltage across the load and voltage across the supply. So after noting down the readings, 3 readings I have taken. Okay, after readings, release the load on the transformers, that is switch off the load and open the DPST switch, you can call it as a load switch, and open the SPST switch, reduce the auto transformer to 0 position. So switch off the main supply. So this is the parallel operation of the single phase transformer. So we can ensure the load current I3 is equal to I1 plus I2. So I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 should become, then the dissimilar transformers are sharing the load. Okay. So these are the values we got from the experiment: I1, I2, I3, input voltage and output voltage. Input voltage means supply voltage, output voltage means voltage across the load. So when the load increases, voltage across the load will be decreased. So we can ensure that I1 plus I2 equal to I3. So this is the result of the experiment. Thus the parallel operation of two single phase dissimilar transformers is conducted, and observe that the transformers are meet the load requirement. Okay. Thank you everyone.